Hello, my name is Brandon Wisner. I'm an engineering project manager for the City of Elk River.
My name is Dan Cibulka. I'm the Senior Water Resource Specialist with Shoreline Soil and Water Conservation District.
Today we're here at the William H. Houlton Conservation Area to talk about the future project that'll be coming up very soon here. It is approximately 1,000 linear feet of Mississippi riverbank restabilization for the area that has eroded out along the Mississippi riverbank.
So this project began a couple years ago with some conversations about the need to address this eroding bank, and it's a critical project for a number of reasons. There's been a lot of investment into the Houlton Conservation Area. This is a great asset for the community, for people to enjoy all sorts of forms of outdoor recreation, and this stream bank, which is receding at 1 to 2, possibly 3 feet a year in some areas, that's literally a loss of property for it. When it begins to erode, it washes downstream. So it's critical from that element. Additionally, with this project, we intend to produce a lot of water quality benefits downstream. So this project will look a lot different than your standard typical stream bank projects that are done on a river this size. So instead of using riprap, we're going to be using an approach called towwood, which is essentially the bottom 12-foot section, the trunk of a tree, with its root wad still intact. And so those will be excavated into the hill, into the slope of the stream bank, with the root structure pointing outwards into the stream. It's going to look a little bit strange, but that's done purposefully to allow that root structure to deflect energy from the water, to deflect ice chunks or trees or things that are floating down. It's a form of natural fortification to keep that soil element of the slope intact.
With any project within the city, we do look at getting materials close by within city limits, or at least within the region. With this project, we didn't specifically call that out, but the contractor, as far as logistics and costs go, it is, cheaper to get materials close by. So they are working with a local landowner within the city to acquire some of those for the bigger root wads. So that'll be close by logistically. The other portion, the Woodland Trails Regional Park, as far as safety goes, we did cut out the deadfall areas of the oak trees within that regional park over the winter, and we actually stockpiled those and noted that when we bid this project out, that we had some of the other tree components taken care of, and that it was ready to be used for this project. So it's a good reuse versus that just going through our compost site and getting ground up and hauled off. So those trees will be locally used here, again, within another part of our park system conservation areas.
The Shoreline Soil and Water Conservation District has a lot of excitement over this project. To my knowledge, this represents the largest stream bank project that we've been a part of here in the county. So it's a massive undertaking, but there's some great people collaborating to pull it together. The City of Elk River, Shoreline Soil and Water, we've got some tremendous input on the design and other elements from the Department of Natural Resources, the project engineer, and the Friends of the Mississippi River have also contributed a lot of time and talent towards this. And as I explained earlier, it's just a great project for a number of reasons. We're protecting property, we're protecting water quality, we're providing habitat for terrestrial and aquatic animals. It's a win-win all the way around, and we can't wait to see it when it's done.
I'm excited for this project. I actually was with the city right around the time that the state and the city acquired this property, and I guess planning wise, we always plan out, years ahead of time on projects like this. So it's exciting to see this project come to fruition, as far as it's a natural resource project, water quality project, and it's literally protecting a conservation area, that we otherwise would be losing, anywhere from 1 to 4 feet per year. So it'll be saved for other generations to come.
We also want to acknowledge the funding source from this. The city and Soil and Water District applied to the Minnesota DNR's Conservation Partners Legacy Grant Program, which receives its funding from the Outdoor Heritage Fund as a part of the Clean Water, Land, and Legacy Amendment. So we're thankful to be successful recipients of that grant and be able to apply it to this project.